Chances are you have faced the unpleasant task of folding your laundry and matching all of those socks. I will show you several gadgets that promise to keep your socks together. They all promise you less hassle and stress while saving you loads of time. But is that claim true? Stay until the end to see the only product that passes the test and why all of these products fail in one amazing way. First, we have this sock pairing device that works well in my opinion. You get your socks and feed them through the center of the hole where the rubber teeth keep your socks in place and together. Just toss in the wash and they stay together. Yes, this product does work. But do you recognize what the problem is? Keep watching as the problem repeats itself over and over with each product. It will become clear to you by the end of this video. Next is a plastic sock clip ring in which you attach your socks between the ring, much like a key ring. On the top of the ring is a hook, so you can leave the paired socks out to dry. This too will work, but have you figured out the problem yet? Another example that people use and companies have made into a sock pairing gadget is clothespins. Yes, they can do the job, but essentially you are buying clothespins to keep your socks together. This may be wooden or a stronger metal type. Depending on what you use, they may be a bit weak or potentially snag the threads and damage the sock. Believe it or not, this is a sock strap, much like a dog collar. They say to place the socks in the open strap, buckle the ends, and cinch the strap tight. In my opinion, yes, this will keep socks together. But couldn't you do this with a dog or kitten collar to do the same job? By the way, have you figured out the huge flaw with all of these products yet? This next one hangs from a doorknob. When you take your dirty socks off, you are supposed to place each pair in an open slot which is formed by adjustable spacers called spring cord locks or toggle stoppers. You see these often on jackets or sweatshirts with hoods that have a cord with an adjustable stopper. With this particular item, you can fill the sock line with up to 9 pairs of dirty socks. This can be a good idea if each person is willing to place their socks on this sock line. But what if one person is doing the laundry for the entire family? Are you seeing the major problem with all of these gadgets? If you were the one doing the laundry for your family, would you want to use these products? Then there is this. Basically, it is the same idea as the last product. This is just for one pair of socks, though. You will place one pair of socks through the loop and then cinch it tight with a toggle stopper. In my opinion, they both work, and your socks will stay together throughout the laundering process. But again, there is a problem with all of these gadgets that you will not like. I think you know the issue now. The answer will soon be clear if you haven't got it yet. Our next item is a tab built into the sock. It folds flat and you won't feel the tab while wearing the socks. When you take your socks off, you place the tab ends from the one sock through the other sock. Socks are not damaged as the tab goes through the weaving of the sock. In my opinion, this one would work well at keeping socks together. My only concern is for you, the one who uses this sock. When you take your socks off, it seems you need to take some time to attach the socks together. It doesn't seem very time efficient. This invention asks you to place one sock on one of the top tubes. Rotate and place another sock until all of the tubes are filled with different socks. Keep rotating until you find a matching sock. Place it with its mate on the tube. After all that, roll the socks and push through the tube. It's a giant waste of time. Now, did any of these gadgets save you time or make your life easier? I think they all waste your time. This is a better way. This is Lelocks. You will never lose another sock. Lelocks is the only sock company that uses a built-in magnetic lock and loop system to keep your socks together. Lelocks actually saves you time because you will never need to match socks before or after washing. This saves you roughly 5 minutes of folding time. Simply take your socks off, connect them magnetically, and drop in the laundry. They will come out together every single time. Now, for your answer. Other products fail because they force you to pair dirty and smelly socks before putting them in the wash. That does not save you time. At Lelocks, we have dedicated our time and energy with helping you become more efficient with this one task. We know how miserable laundry can be. We understand the whole problem. Other products only solved half of the problem. With Lelocks, you take off your dirty socks and simply snap them together, and the work is done. You'll never lose socks again or waste time looking for gadgets. With Lelocks, you really do save time and money. We look forward to seeing you at lelocks.com to see all of the styles for the entire family. We would love and appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, and we hope you have a really good day. See you in the next video.